What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use document outlines in Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, first you need to make sure that all of your headings and subheadings have a heading style in Google Docs. To do this, simply select and highlight your heading, then go to heading in the drop-down menu, and then choose heading 1, 2, or 3. Once you have done that for all of your headings, then go to view in the top row, and then select expand tabs and outline sidebar. Now you will see all of your headings in the left column. So if I want to go to sunny weather, I simply select it and it'll take me directly there. Sometimes Google Docs automatically puts your headings into a heading style, so you don't need to do it. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.